So this event took place in San Francisco. It was Prabhupada's first visit to San Francisco in about 1967, early 1967. At that time, Indira Gandhi was the Prime Minister of India. And Prabhupada was staying at 512 Frederick Street in San Francisco. So this man came into Prabhupada's room kind of spontaneously and unannounced. His name was Bob. He was a follower of Krishna consciousness, but not initiated. And he had read in the newspaper that a number of farmers had converged on Bombay, now Mumbai, because there had been a very severe drought in India, and they were aware that Indira Gandhi was going to be there visiting. And the article in the newspaper said that the farmers had tried to stone her to death. They were unsuccessful, but they did. And he came into Prabhupada's room kind of in a very excited mood and slapped this newspaper down on Prabhupada's desk and said, "Your Prime Minister has been stoned." Prabhupada looked up at the man and didn't respond immediately. After a while, he began to tell the philosophy of Krishna consciousness. The Rajarishis, or the leaders, or the kings, or the prime ministers, the leaders of the government, were thought to be very protective of the citizens, and they kept them from severe droughts and difficult positions in their health. And after a while, the man named Bob sat down and began to listen to Prabhupada, and sat very quietly because he was pacified when he learned a little about the philosophy of Krishna consciousness. So he just sat there and decided to listen. Hare Krishna.